just woke up. I'm about to make a smoothie. I think Sydney and I are going to the beach today, so that's exciting. First time at the beach this summer, or should I say lake, because your girl lives on like the northern border, so there ain't no beaches, but we have lakes, so that's what we're gonna do today.
Right, so this morning's smoothie is gonna consist on 1 banana instead of 2, because last time I was at the store, Walmart only had frozen strawberries and bananas and not just frozen strawberries. So I'm just gonna kind of put my other bananas worth from this bag. Frozen blueberries, my orange juice, hemp seeds so I can get those omega-3s, and I think that's it. Maybe some chia seeds. A tiny bit of chia seeds. Why the heck not? Let's go.
What a time to be alive. Woo! It's a little thick, but hey, gotta do what you gotta do. Hey everyone, so I just started packing and getting ready for the beach. Got my swimsuit on, my vegan vibe shirt, because I'm just feeling the vibe today. I started packing our cooler of food, so in case you guys were wondering what 2 vegans take to the beach, here we go. It's probably pretty usual to what y'all take to the beach, because you know, who doesn't love fruit on the beach?
Roasted garlic hummus and carrots, some mild salsa, and chips on the table, 4 pears, a whole bag of cuties, lots of water because staying hydrated this year.
Water bottles, gotta be reusable. We ain't taking no plastic garbage to the beach today. Hi! We're going to the beach.
Going to the beach.
Woo!
Yee yee. We're living dangerously because I don't have a seatbelt on.
Click it or ticket, bucko.
Someone warned me.
Hi, Sydney.
Hi. How are you?
Okay.
That's good.
This is so cute. I feel like what is it? Like a little groundhog coming out of its hole?
I'm screaming. Okay, can you hold?
I'm trying to put ice in the cooler. Sydney's pumping gas, and this wasp flies in her vehicle.
Yeah, tries to kill us.
So like we're running around the gas station parking lot, like trying to avoid this wasp that's coming at us for no reason.
No reason. And it's okay. It's okay. I'm still alive.
Super hot, but
Still alive.
going to the beach. Summer smiles.
Summer smiles.
Kids are racing to the waters. How are you feeling?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Good. We're toasted.
Yeah.
Yes. Living life to the fullest. I'm dead tired.
Same here.
Despite getting like 9 hours of sleep.
Yeah.
This has been an orange-tastic day.
It's been, hold on, I gotta think of something.
So, I believe there's a geocache near us at this beach. So as long as I have north facing in the right direction, we're about to go find it. You're so cute.
I might just let you read.
Good job. Nice find. First geocache of the day, first geocache of the summer. Good job, Matthew. Excuse me. We had no luck on the last geocache we tried to find, but we did find a cool tree that I climbed around on. Matthew was too much of a weenie to do so. But now we're going to look for one in a pine tree. So let's find this pine tree.
Yeah. Where's that? Very nice. Woo! Look at this cute little field we ended up in. Like here, you open it up and look. I want to show them this view up here. Let me tell you. Phenomenal. Didn't even know this place existed. What a time to be alive. Hickory Trail. Good find, Matthew.
Hello.